how to make ice cream today? Huh? You want to know how to make ice cream? Yeah, you want to learn? We're going to use cookie dough. Yeah, we're going to learn how to make some ice cream today, baby. Aren't you? Aren't you? Sadly, you cannot have chocolate ice cream, which is sad. It's okay. Huh. You have chocolate yet, can you? No, baby. You gotta cut it first, Enzo. Because I cannot get this open. No, it'll be good, huh? It looks so good, doesn't it, baby? Huh? It looks so good. Hi, little owl. All right, now we gotta get some. There's cookie dough balls in this one, Mom. So Enzo, for the best scoops, gotta get your ice cream scooper warm. You gotta put some hot water on it. Mom. Make her mama proud, and she's gonna scream. All right, Enzo, that is our ice cream making lesson. Not that difficult, huh? It's not that difficult, huh? Can I have a high five? Can I have a high five? No, not yet. Not to that point yet. No, you're not to the high fives yet. No, that's okay.